Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and I'm going to be reading a book called Mummies. Mummies. My name's Elizabeth. Hi, Mom. Waking the dead. Deep inside a dark pyramid, two scientists find a doorway. They peer into the gloomy tomb. Should they go in? The scientists enter. Was that a good answer? Eager to find the tomb's hidden secret, they find a mummy inside. The mummy wakens and reaches out to grab them. Isn't that right? Should I let you see the other picture? Okay, that's good. The scientists have disturbed the mummy's rest. The mummy grabs its victim. There's no escape from its deadly grasp. The mummy's curse. Real mummies are found all over the world. Mummies are dead bodies that have been preserved. They can last for thousands of years. I don't know how many years that is. Well, basically 1,000. Laser fact. Ancient Egypt once put mummies in stone tombs called pyramids. The tombs were then filled with food and furniture and treasures. Egypt has many mummies. Ancient Egypt believed they needed their bodies after death.